Imagine waking up one day and not being able to remember the name of your own son. Imagine walking into your living room and forgetting why you came there. For millions of men over the age of 50, this is not a distant nightmare, it's already happening. But here's the shocking truth: experts now say that almost 40% of age-related memory loss can be slowed down, even reversed, with 4 simple foods you can eat every single day, of foods you already know, but never understood their true power. And in the next 7 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly what these 4 brain-protecting foods are, how they work, and how much you should eat daily. Let's begin. As men cross the age of 50, the brain slowly begins to shrink. Blood flow decreases, inflammation increases, and a toxic protein called beta-amyloid starts building up, the same protein linked to Alzheimer's. But here's the good news: your brain is still capable of repair, just like a muscle can grow stronger with the right nutrients. Your brain can also revive itself. And this is where the 4 superfoods come in. Let's start with the king of brain foods, walnuts. A single handful of walnuts contains omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin E, polyphenol, all scientifically proven to improve memory, reduce inflammation, and protect nerve cells from damage. Here's the amazing part. Walnuts look exactly like the human brain because they nourish the brain. How many walnuts should you eat daily? Just 4 to 5 walnuts every morning can improve memory, reaction time, and slow down age-related cognitive decline. They'll give you one extra tip: soak them overnight for better absorption. Our second food is so powerful that scientists call it brain insurance. Yes, blueberries. They are packed with anthocyanins, rare antioxidants that repair damaged brain cells, increase blood flow to the brain, improve short-term and long-term memory. In fact, one Harvard study proved that older adults who ate blueberries daily had significantly sharper memory than those who didn't. Here is the correct English version. How many blueberries should you eat daily? Half a cup of blueberries, fresh or frozen, is enough. Alternative: if blueberries are expensive, you can use black grapes or blackberries as a substitute. Yes, dark chocolate. But not the sugary kind. Real dark chocolate above 70% cocoa is one of the richest sources of flavonols, nutrients that improve focus, boost learning capacity, immediately increase blood flow to the brain, reduce stress hormones. Older men who consumed flavanol-rich chocolate for 8 weeks showed noticeable improvement in memory tests. You should daily only eat just 1 small square, around 15 g, is enough. And finally, the food group that every man over 50 must include: omega-3 rich foods. This includes fish, especially salmon, sardines, mackerel, chia seeds, flax seeds, walnuts again, and high-quality omega-3 capsules. Omega-3s rebuild the protective layer around your brain cells, called the myelin sheath. When this layer is damaged, your memory becomes weak, your focus drops, and your mood becomes unstable. Daily amount: eat omega-3 foods 3 to 4 times a week, or take 1 capsule of a good omega-3 supplement after asking a doctor. Now, eating these foods is powerful. But combining them with a simple 60-second brain routine makes the results even faster. Do this every morning. 20 seconds deep breathing increases oxygen and clears brain fog. 20 seconds eye movement exercise activates neural pathways. 20 seconds quick mental math stimulates the memory center, hippocampus. This 1-minute routine, when combined with the 4 superfoods, sharpens memory more effectively than either alone. So remember, your memory doesn't have to get weaker with age. Your brain isn't dying, it's waiting to be nourished. If you add just 4 foods, walnuts, blueberries, dark chocolate, and omega-3s, into your daily routine, you can protect your mind, slow down aging, and stay sharper for years. Take charge of your brain today. Because once you lose your memories, you lose your life story. Thank you for watching.